Hey, real quick before the video gets started, I designed this shirt. If you're interested in picking up one in large, extra large, or 2XL, check for the link in the description below. On to the video.
Too bad Mom would never be willing to do this.
No, Mom.
Her nerves and anxiety.
She'd She'd pants with me and my driving and our little old puny no horsepower stuff.
It's a little fun.
Oh yeah, it is.
So what was your first thought when I called and told you that Coy got the TRX?
Oh man, I couldn't believe it. I love it. I wish I could afford a new truck. I don't like the gas mileage, but I love the truck.
Yeah.
You just gotta take one with the other.
Yeah, that is true. So what do you think about the supercharger wine?
Oh, I know it. I love it.
Because that's one of Coy's favorite features.
You know that black Monte Carlo of mine there on the car trailer?
Yeah.
I gotta put the front end on?
Uh-huh.
That's supercharged.
So how many years have you been working on cars? Repairing them, tinkering with them?
My whole life.
Okay.
I'm 72 years old and I started, well, I had my first motor scooter when I was 10 years old and the first car when I was 13. The only way to keep it running was me working on it.
Yeah.
Dad and Grandpa was both mechanic, but they wouldn't take care of my stuff. I had to do my own. I was going to tear it up. I had to fix it.
And how many
and
cars?
I tore it up.
I was gonna say, how many cars have you tore up?
Oh, a few.
So true story, guys. Dad drove a Corvette into a phone pole looking at a girl in short shorts.
Yeah.
Once upon a time.
Asphalt sure lumpy there, wasn't it?
Yeah. Dad, you're gonna have to tell me.
Okay.
All right, so brake on.
You aren't straight enough. Get more out and towards the center a little. There you go. But in a straight line, you're still. Go ahead. Okay, right about there. Okay, launch.
Says launch enabled. Apply full throttle. At what point do I release the brake?
When you got it full throttle.
Oh my goodness. I didn't do it.
Oh yeah, you did.
Did I?
Yeah.
All right, this is why. Apply full throttle. It's not launching. There we go. All right, let's turn it around. Because every time I press the full throttle, or do I have to wait till it starts to gear up to the RPM?
You gotta hold the throttle down and have her full throttle and then
Release
off
the brake.
yeah.
Okay, gotcha. I've never had a launch control. I've always had just.
I never have either.
I've had you just
go ahead and
the
pull your nose into the
trans
into
brake.
there.
Okay.
Yeah, get more off towards the center of the road. Don't be. Yeah,
All right,
don't be
there,
over here and. Okay.
See, I have the coolest dad ever. My dad's teaching me how to launch control this thing.
Okay, now hold. Okay, you ready?
I'm always nervous.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Oh, I wish everybody could have a toy like this. It is just so fun. And
Did you want to drive?
yes.
Oh. Cause you don't want nothing to make one wheel grab more than the other, because that'll throw you sideways. Okay.
And then
Floor it. Floor it all the way. Now let off the brake. There you go.
only took 20 tries. Heavy traffic. However,
Now in the middle of the night.
don't regret anything I've done today, because I have had just so much fun, and I'm so happy and thankful and fortunate enough to have this truck with Coy, and I hope more people will be able to have that experience as well.
Oh yeah.
So now we're gonna let Dad take the wheel again, have a little bit more fun before we go back to the house.
Then we'll head back. So did you guys get rid of everything else?
We still have the F-Pace and the XE.
You got the what?
The F-Pace and the XE still.
Oh, the two Jags?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought he traded both the Jag and the Charger and the truck.
He was going to trade all three, but then he's seen what the gas mileage on this was, and he's indecisive on what he's going to do with the XE.
Yeah.
To be completely honest, after driving this, I may end up trading the F-Pace and the XE together and getting a Hellcat.
Yeah.
Probably the Charger Hellcat or
Yeah.
the Challenger, and just kind of going from there.
I like this thing.
Yeah, I do too. It's so fun. It's just
See how I'm. There we go. Yep, I'm in launch.
and just like that,
Yep.
gone.
Gone with the wind.
This car brings back the little kid in you, and if it doesn't, then something is terribly wrong. Because when you get in this truck and you go to drive it, it's a toy. I don't think I will ever be able to see this truck as a daily driver, because it's just a toy. It's a fun toy to have.
Well, it's a good daily driver too, but it's
Not for the
gas mileage.
well, that and you'd have to have a certain maturity level that I don't currently have to be able
Keep
to
from yeah,
to be able
keep
to,
from hammering it.
yes. And so for me, it wouldn't be a good daily driver, because that maturity level of hammering it all the time, just it will never get old with me. I don't think. Now, for some people, it may. I don't know how it would ever get old. It's
Oh, it wouldn't get old. Don't get me wrong, but
$100 at the gas pump would get old real quick.
yeah, that would.